Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a 2022 Silverado Zr2 edition with the Multimatic shocks. We performed a 2 1/4 inch peak lift leveling kit, 295 7018 Falcon RTO 1s. Let me show you this thing. Peak gets their lift from a Multimatic shock preload spacer as well as an upper strut spacer. They also include in their kit the upper control arm replacement to handle better angle with this kit. We're running the 295 7018 Wild Peak RTO 1s, one of Falcon's newest tires. Very aggressive sidewall, nice blocky tread, quiet, great riding, everything you want in a tire. The truck did turn out nice and level. As far as tire clearance, the 295 7018 is all this kit wants as far as clearance on the back side of the fender well and also on the front bumper fender well area. On this particular truck, this piece right here is a little more flared out than some that we've seen, so we're going to tie that back just to get it away from the tire, but it's just this one corner on the driver front. The other side does not have that issue, but all in all, good clearance with this particular setup. A lot of guys want to go true 35s. To each his own. It will take modification to run a true 35 1250 without any rubbing when using this truck off-road for sure. The rear on the Peak kit is a small block, and it came with some shock protectors as well. We would have liked to have seen a shock extension with this kit on the rear, but all in all, it worked out very well. Just an all-around good look. Very aggressive looking from the front end with a lot of tire showing with the bumper cutouts. Give us a follow, like and subscribe. We appreciate it.